Hey guys, welcome back. So, if you're looking for the perfect gift or just want to treat yourself with something luxury, I would say you should definitely buy this. This set features three unique scents designed for every mood, whether you want something fresh, floral, or deep. These bottles have covered everything, and the smell is incredibly high. The best part, the longevity, just a few sprays, and you're good to go. It's affordable, and packaging is 10 out of 10. So, please comment down for the link. Bye bye.